Moin.
Morgen.
Hauke, dass du die Kamera anhast, ist das beabsichtigt oder aus Versehen?
Welche Kamera?
Musste bleiben.
Okay, das heißt, dieses schwarze Viereck oben werden wir nicht los.
Genau.
Morgen.
Morgen.
Hallo.
Hä? Wenn du die Kamera ausmachst, sieht man die alle?
Nein, wenn ihr den Lauf streamt und dann dieser Wechsel passiert und das alte Team rausgeht und das neue sich nicht gleich reinschaltet, dann kommt von Zoom so ein Hinweis und da stehen alle Zugangsdaten. Und wenn wir das live streamen, dann sieht das die ganze Welt und kann sich einloggen, wer will.
Okay.
Genau.
Okay, Team Roboto, you can start your stream so that the referees can start.
Martin?
The arena. Yeah.
I have one point because I asked as a team leader of Team SWAT yesterday at TC that we can put obstacles or catenage on our red and white barrier tape because we are the only team that has red and white barrier tape at the border of our arena. So we are the only team that can have a major collision, and they said it's okay that we put something.
Yeah, that's from my perspective a team leader or a TC decision, but I think it's okay.
Yeah,
but,
the TC said it's okay.
Yeah, so then when the TC said it's okay, then
I just wanted to inform you.
Yeah, that's fine. So as long as you don't move the border of your arena.
No.
So Roboto, I think your camera views are not matching together. At least one camera is frozen. Yeah, the top cam is working. The left down also, but the left up cam, where's the yeah, this one.
Nee, die ist okay. Die hier.
Martin, kann ich den Task schon senden?
Yes.
Oder wollt ihr euch erst besprechen, ob alle da sind und so?
Lass mal einen Moment, das dauert immer.
I think all refs are here, or have to be here. It's so the task for Roboto can be sent in the Discord.
Nein, das ist einmal metrisches Gewinde und einmal Dienstgewinde oder irgendwie so.
matter to your vision.
Or maybe the L-link key because it's silver, like. No, okay, yeah. No.
Well, it is sort of like an industrial object, so it might be a little bit harder. I don't know. Yeah.
So we have 2 runs left where we have arbitrary surfaces and we can put arbitrary decoys, so we don't have to choose on now.
Yes.
Okay, so and I don't know why we have a decoy on Workstation 4 because nothing has to be picked or placed on Workstation 4, but it is what it is in the task. And so we have to choose Workstation 8 or 5 because there's an arbitrary decoy. One of both from these have to be an arbitrary surface. So just have a look in the map. Okay. So which one you prefer? So 8 is the 0 centimeter table behind the round table, and 5 is half of the table in the middle. This one, right? So where do we want to place one of the arbitrary surfaces? So from 8, S40B should be picked from the 0 centimeter, and from 5, a distance tube should be picked. So we have to, yeah. So please, refs, do say something. It's my home team. I don't want to say too much for Roboto. So.
Yeah, I think the ground is blue and therefore arbitrary surface itself. So maybe we should put an arbitrary surface there, so we can be more equal with the other teams. Or
yeah, we don't have an idea how the task looks like for the other teams. So maybe we are more equal or less equal. I don't know. We have to. We will see in the when we are at this point. So, but it's when you want to choose this, it's okay.
Yep.
So which one? So you want to put, as I guess, if I understand right, you want to put on Workstation 8 an arbitrary surface, aluminium or grass?
Let's do grass, since grass grows on the ground.
Okay, so then put the grass on the Workstation 8.
Workstation on. Hello.
Okay, so and the other workstations.
I think the aluminium surface is on the Workstation 5 or 6.
We can also put, yeah, it's both possible. So where do you want it? 5, 6, 3, 8, 9. Those are the possible ones. 1 is also there.
Oh, it is arbitrary for the which workstation is chosen by team.
I don't get the question. Why should the team choose a workstation?
No. Or the arbitrary surface, placing the arbitrary surface.
Christoph?
We currently have the problem that there are 7 objects to be picked in the gross back.
Okay.
So there's an object too much.
But I have just 6 in my table.
Yeah, but in the back there are 7.
Okay, how do we handle this? This is maybe something. So should it be So who created the task?
I think you did actually.
Yeah. So that's the problem. So we created the task because the task of Marco had objects that had more objects than we actually had for certain object types. So
then maybe some team leaders, TC members from other teams should give input to this point. So I think a wrong task, it is not a good choice. So 7 objects to pick, it wouldn't fit in our task definition. So we have to...
Can we do the run of robot a little bit later, maybe?
Es geht den Task.
Hi, so I didn't get the question for the team leaders. What is the topic?
Christoph told me that in the back file there are 7 objects to pick, not 6, like in the task definition.
Martin, da ist eine Cavity mit bei, eine PPT-Cavity.
So yesterday I sent but you prepared this, right? Can you?
The problem is that the refbox doesn't correctly recognize the object counts of the teams yet. So sometimes you get too many objects, and this was the case in your task.
In my or in yours?
Yeah, in the task that you sent had 2 objects where we only have 1.
Yeah, but I thought that we wanted to use arbitrary surfaces, so arbitrary decoys, right? So I think the picks should be right, because I think the picks were all different objects.
Yeah, but we do not have all arbitrary decoys.
Yeah, okay, but we have to replace
any. I don't know, but yeah, I think you prepared another one, but 1 pick more is not okay for me. So
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
The problem, so Fancy just said the pick is actually picking a cavity.
Okay, so
I have no idea what happens.
I don't know. So you won't get points, but I don't know if you want to use the back file, because your planner will also do weird stuff, right?
I don't know if we can handle that, actually, if there's a filter for not picking cavities. So
okay.
So I think we have 2 options. So we can use your task, maybe.
Yeah.
Then we just need to be flexible with the decoys.
Yeah, as I said, use an arbitrary decoy. So you have no measuring tape, you said, right? Or what?
We have the bearing was the problem.
But
in your task. So
so it is, and that's an arbitrary decoy or what?
Yeah. So
okay.
It would probably be possible, but we need to reload and need some time to set up the bot again, because the task is already loaded.
Okay.
So maybe we switch the first 2 teams. This is an option.
I understand if you want to use our task. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So the bearing was an arbitrary decoy object. Do you have another distance tube that you could use, or something similar? I don't know. Small nuts?
We only have 1 distance tube. You could only use an M30 maybe. Cavity.
I don't know. For me, it's actually, so the decoys, I don't know if they will really make the difference. Which object do you have to pick from this table? Do you know it by any chance? So I think the purpose of decoys is that you confuse the vision. And if, for example, you have to pick a large alu and there is a bearing, I don't care what decoy is on the table, because I really hope that your vision is working in a way that this will not get confused. So for me, in the end, for me, it's fine. So I looked yesterday, the task that I made for you. I thought it was interesting because of the picking objects, because they were quite cool, I guess. So I don't care about the decoys too much, to be honest.
Actually, so we can look further into it, but we need some time for that. So maybe we switch teams. This would be one option.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't want to drive the cavity task unless I really had a look at it.
Yeah, I understand. I can also offer, I mean, we are ready. We can also take the place if the other team is not ready.
Yeah, then maybe we just switch.
Christoph, when the bearing is missing, maybe you can use M20. It has the same size and
but the problem was just we wanted to have a task that fits out of the box.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And I think Hauke also asked in the Discord yesterday, late in the evening, but he asked, but no one answered, of course.
Yeah. Well, I talked to Hauke, but I know that you didn't sleep this night as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's switch. And actually, we hope that it's not the same for the other teams.
Yeah. Okay. So
because the generation was the same for all teams now.
Yeah, we can just agree that obviously you have to have the objects that have to be picked, and if this is not working, we will, I don't know, switch teams or so. So every team, please be ready to also participate if you're normally not scheduled. But so the picking objects have to be the ones that have to be picked, obviously, otherwise the vision won't work. But the decoys, we can change them, because I also noticed that this is a problem with the ref box. But as they are decoys and we planned on switching those decoys for arbitrary decoys, I think it is possible.
We need to look a little bit out for SWAT and Tyrolics because they use the decoy information. So there we really need to be careful with that we really only switch the objects that are not there.
Yeah, but no. But yesterday we said that arbitrary decoys are still possible, even though we send decoy information.
Yeah, but for them, we need, if they don't have an object, it needs to be an arbitrary decoy. We cannot just arbitrarily switch because they use the information. So
we should,
otherwise they have more arbitrary decoys than other teams.
Objects, I think. Reserve objects. If this is a question.
Can we send the task for Lubot right now, or is it too early?
No, actually we said we switch with Autonom because they are already ready.
All right, okay.
Yeah,
we would be ready as well, but yeah.
Okay.
So
yeah.
I don't care, Lubots. If you want, you can also go. But
just wait a minute.
Yeah, we would like to do the run.
So is your arm working?
Okay.
No,
okay,
but we want to get it
so it's a very fast run, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe, then we do bitbots afterwards, and then we do Roboto. Or is it enough if we have maybe 5 to 10 minutes Roboto?
Yeah, I look into the problem right now, so I'm a little bit not participating in the meeting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I send the back for Lubots?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And when you change the task for Roboto, please also change it in the sheet, if it's possible.
Yeah, but that takes more time. I guess.
I do.
Yeah, that's why I asked if we want to do bitbots after Lubots, because Lubots won't take so much time.
Yes.
Okay, so we have at first Lubots, then we have bitbots, then we have Roboto. Okay, then please Roboto stop your stream and Lubots open yours.
So a short introduction to the Lubots in the stream.
Workstation 6 because on Workstation 1 there are 2 objects. So we choose Workstation 6 as an arbitrary surface, And
just a quick heads up: if Lubots, are you even picking or no? Because we can just skip all object placements if they just want to navigate.
Yeah, we won't pick anything.
Okay, so I just want to make sure that nobody can complain afterwards. Is it okay for you when there's no object and you are not able to get the points for picking?
Yeah, it's
okay.
totally fine.
But can you check the tasks?
Yeah, sorry.
So that we maybe have an idea if it's a common mistake or if it just won't happen. And okay, then the refs, we have to place in this arena, I guess, one obstacle that should be made because we have navigation. And it's not path blocking, so choose a place where we can put one.
No, one is path blocking and one is not path blocking in this case.
Then please, Christoph is not here. So he interpreted his discussion yesterday that a complex arena has 30 seconds time bonus and therefore a path blocking object, and a normal arena has no path blocking object and no time bonus independently from the barrier tape. So this was his.
No. I think we spoke about 2 blocking paths because.
Yeah, it was also my.
The problem is that we said that we want to remove the blocking obstacles, and I wrote it like that in the Discord, and no one objected. So that's the reason why we have to live with that actually, because this is what was the summary of the meeting. I recognized too late that it's not fitting to BTT2.
Yeah, it's a lot, but okay. Okay, well then not non-blocking, but still place an obstacle, please.
But Lubots, your stream looking fine today. I don't know what you have changed.
Yeah, we share a screen. I got something that I have to place a bearing box on the turntable.
Yeah, that's right for this task.
That's right. Okay.
So there's one placement on the turntable in BTT2. But how many objects do you have to pick? Is it 6 or?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, then it's really only a bug for us. I think we can actually drive with the task.
Which
that we got?
Which one? The new or the old
the new one?
Okay, but then we stay with you as third after we.
Yeah, that's okay. I just wanted to announce that we are pretty much also ready then.
Rest, we need one object in the arena. Franzi?
Bei den Referee Sheets für dich, bei dem Task, müsstest du oben neben dem Namen von dem Team ist ein Arena-Type. Da müsstest du Normal oder Complex eingeben. Ich wusste nicht, welches Team jetzt Normal und welches Complex hat, je nachdem, was es ist. Habt ihr unten bei der Rule Overview, wird das rot, ob es normal oder komplex ist, sodass man sieht, wo die Obstacles sind und wie viele es sind und ob es einen Time-Bonus gibt. Und da ändert sich dann auch die Duration automatisch. Also du müsstest jetzt hier oben mal eingeben, ob das bei den Lubots ein Normal oder eine Complex Arena ist.
Habe ich schon.
Ach, wundervoll. Gut.
So we need an obstacle, isn't it?
Yeah, we need an obstacle. So,
path blocking one or not path blocking?
And non-path blocking.
Okay.
And it should somewhere where the robot tries, but I think nearly every workstation is in use for this task.
So maybe let's do it on the wall beside workstation 5 or something. Because if the robot needs to drive to workstation 1, 2, 5, 6, and 7, it would be on its path, I guess.
So
yeah, the PPT is not used in this task, so it's.
So here, somewhere here. Oh.
No, on the other side, I guess so.
We can also use the other side, yes. So that's it. To the wall? No, to the wall. In the middle of the arena, to the wall, next to workstation 5. No, other side of workstation 5.
That side? This side? Or this side?
Yeah. You are too fast for the camera. So this side, and so that you can use workstation 5. So not.
Okay. Yeah. But this wouldn't be 80 centimeters, I think.
Yeah, just go a little bit next, more on left. Okay.
Measure the distance.
What's this tape? No. actually 70, 69, something. Our arena is really tight.
So then move it
to workstation 11, to workstation 1 in the direction, maybe.
In the direction, you mean? Something like this?
Yeah, but workstation 9 is in use the 0 centimeter table, so we are not allowed to block this. So yeah, this would be okay, I think, as long as the distance is okay for the path.
I think so. It's hardly 80 centimeters.
I think between workstation 11 and 1 is a good idea.
11 and 1?
Between 1 and 11. But
so maybe
we are not allowed to block a path.
Yeah, at workstation 11.
Close to.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So a little bit more to the edge, or leave it
to this edge?
No, to the other. Or the rest?
Yes.
Is our arena at least 80 centimeters? Yes. Okay.
Maybe laid down because it has to be 30 centimeters if the 80 centimeters is still okay.
What about the next one, the obstacle, dynamic obstacle? Is there more or what? Just one?
The number of obstacles depends on the arena design. And this arena is a normal arena, like the definition from the TC, and that means that there is no path blocking object, so just one object. If a complex arena is given, we will have an additional obstacle, but also a 30 seconds time bonus. So,
okay, thank you.
For this time, it's enough, and we do a BNT.
Again.
Okay.
Is the arena fine now?
For me, it's fine. Yeah, please remove the one from who is throwing the class. Okay, so refs, are you ready? I'm missing the ref from MRL, Deer, and Robo Erectors. They didn't change their name in the ref sheet.
I already changed the name since just now in the Lubot sheet.
In the Lubot sheet, I sort of am at the Lubot sheet. So the one which was sent right now. Yeah, now you are green. Okay. Yeah, Lubot ref, you don't have to change anything in your own sheet, but MRL and Deer have to. Okay. So from my perspective, we can start when your robot is ready.
Yeah, I think.
So your prep time starts now. Please count down when you send the task.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and I send the task. Oh, shit. If the robot hasn't started, do I have to restart? Because our web model crashed, I think something.
No,
as long as you don't enter the arena, it's everything fine.
Okay. I have an unknown. Yeah, he also says that something is on the precision placement table.
Is it maybe the 7th objects, the cavity we also had in the roboto task?
Yeah, something with a cavity. But our task planner doesn't include that we have to move a cavity, but our world model crashes because something is wrong there.
Okay, TC and refbox and so on. Listen. Yeah.
Just a quick question: did you use the object task or the task?
The arena-centric task we use.
Arena-centric. Okay, for that it's okay. there it always contains PPT cavities when there's a PPT table present.
Yeah. I don't know what goes wrong because we tested the back files yesterday.
Yeah, and in the old back files, that was definitely also the case, I think. Yeah, at least for the BTT2 tasks that were sent out before.
I can't do anything about it.
So restarting it will show the same.
Yeah. I can try to restart the world model, but I don't think that it will fix anything. Yeah, doesn't fix it. So yeah, I have to stop the run.
So for the ref box and TC side, it's worked like intended, and we don't have to change anything.
Yeah, I will check that.
It should be the same like in the test BTTs that were sent out yesterday.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Did you check the test BTTs?
So BTT2.
The BTT2, yeah. I just asked Bluebots if they run the test one.
Yeah, we run. I did use the ref box yesterday and created paths, and also checked tested the send out files, test files.
Okay, so I can't say anything to this point.
Yeah, I also not, but I don't like it. That seems to be a ref box problem. Maybe we can shift Bluebots to the end.
Yeah, but
to give them a chance for maybe to drive.
When you shift all teams to the end, it's maybe a bad choice.
Yeah, that's maybe a problem if the others also have problems.
Okay, then I think if it's okay for all other team leaders, I guess we postpone Bluebots and go on to Bitbots. Is this okay for all team leaders?
Yeah, for me, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, then we go on to Bitbots. Bitbots, are you there? Are you ready?
Yes.
Then please start your stream.
Yes, in couple of seconds.
Yeah, okay. But we can show a nice picture of the arena. So we have to place an arbitrary surface on workstation 1, 5, or 6 because there are the decoys. So refs, please make your choice.
Yeah, 1 and 5.
1 and 5. Okay. So on the 0 centimeter workstation.
It's 0. Oh, so, I don't know.
Workstation 1 is a 0 centimeter
Okay.
workstation. So
yeah, should we maybe do this not?
Okay, then not. Okay, then we use workstation 5. What do we want to put there? I think maybe Crest is a one you had chosen before.
Yeah, let's put Crest there.
Crest on workstation 5, and the measuring tape is arbitrary decoy instead of the F20G. So, and where should the other arbitrary surface should be placed? So we have tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to choose from. And 4 is a 5 centimeter. Workstation 3 is also 10 centimeter, and workstation 6. Yeah, workstation 6 is 10 centimeter. Okay. And workstation 2 is a 15 centimeter table. Okay. Refs, are you there?
I don't know. Should we always use 10 centimeter because everyone has enough 10 centimeters, or I don't know. Is it?
We can also choose a different height because I think everyone should at least have 1 15 and 1 5 centimeter. I don't think that it could be that we are able to make this
fair
same for all the teams. So we try to be fair, but I think it's not possible to do it the same way for all. But we can choose another 10 centimeter table. It's not a problem.
Yeah.
So, okay, then I choose when nobody else want to, and we choose workstation 3 for the aluminium.
What should we put on workstation 3?
Aluminium, the metal plate. I don't know what you have for. Yes. So, and then show us the tables. Yeah, you can start with workstation 3. There should be or you can also start with different. A big S40G. So refs, every time we show a table, you are allowed to change the object position or rotation. So
yeah, move it a little bit to the left, or to the middle.
Okay, then next workstation.
Next workstation, I don't know, go to 5 or 6 maybe?
Yeah, just go to 1 and you have a look. Maybe you just tell us which number. It's 6, I guess. Okay. There is an axis and a bearing box. Right. Okay.
Okay, then go to workstation 5. Workstation 5?
Wait, can you change the rotation of the axis?
Can you go back to 6? Or change the rotation of the axis?
To horizontal, yeah.
Horizontal?
No, not the other way. Yes.
Okay, so in workstation 5 we have the crest, and we have is this workstation 5, right?
Yeah.
I think there should be an axis as a picking object.
Yep. We only have one axis.
Yeah, that's a problem because you have 2 axes to pick, one on workstation 5 and one on workstation 6. So
so we are trying to disassemble one of them, but I don't know if that's going to work.
okay, can we go on to another table, or should we already go on to the next team because it doesn't fit?
Workstation 2.
Workstation 2. Okay. There should be a S40B. Okay. So we are missing workstation. Oh yeah, workstation 4. It's maybe next.
Workstation 4? There's nothing on workstation 4.
There should also be S40G.
S40G on workstation 4.
And I just looked up in the arena description, there was mentioned that the bitboards have 2 axes.
Yeah, I looked at, yeah.
Okay, so then it's fine. when it was.
I think they disassembled. We have the second axis.
Yeah, and remove the F20G from
F20G. Why? F20G.
From the crest.
F20G. Take out the F20G. I think the tape was...
Yeah, it's replaced by the measuring tape. So okay.
So the decoy which was replaced by the measuring. Okay. So
yeah, and we have to. So we want to see workstation 1. There should be a motor and a mode. Okay, ref box. Why we have a motor to pick and a motor as decoy? Is it okay from your perspective?
That's okay. We had that before in the old ref box also.
Okay, so it's not very decoying. If you have to pick the object, you don't have to pick.
So,
but okay, place 2 motors there, please.
There's supposed to be 2 motors here.
Yeah, I didn't create the task, but it's written there.
Okay. According to the task, there's only 1 apparently.
Okay, so refs, if you want. Oh, we have to place obstacles. So 1 pass blocking and 1 non-pass blocking. They already made a suggestion, I think, with with a metal part in the middle of the arena. I don't know if you want to stick with this.
Yeah, it's a good choice for the pass blocking.
I think it's not pass blocking, because, so at least the workstation 2 could not be handled at this place, so we have to change it. So maybe we put it from the corner of workstation 4 to
MRL.
MRL, can you stop your stream?
Put it from the corner of workstation 4 to somewhere.
MRL, stop your stream.
I'll handle it.
Okay, it's stopped.
Okay.
From the corner of workstation 4 to?
From the corner of workstation 4 to the corner of workstation 1, so that in front of your cameraman. There, yeah. Rest, what do you say? I think that is a pass blocking one, which is not blocking the rest of the task.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay, and a small one somewhere.
Small one somewhere, right?
Maybe close to workstation 7 towards workstation 9.
Yep. Very close to workstation 7 towards workstation 9. So somewhere in this area. Is there a placement on workstation 7?
7 is not in the task.
What workstation 9? Yeah. And 9?
Wiebke, can you...
Like in front of workstation 7, so that the path is getting a little bit smaller.
Okay, your prep time is over. And your execution time starts now.
Okay, it's gonna go.
So if your task also make problems, please tell as soon as possible.
So why nobody's saying anything? We hope that the bitbots can do this task properly.
Yeah, so right now the robot is trying to place the axis which it had picked up earlier onto the workstation, but when it tried to grasp it on the back platform, it missed it. And right now it's navigating to workstation 2. And yeah, it first perceives the whole workstation using 2D and 3D data, and it needs to detect this black aluminum profile, grasp it, and transport it to a different workstation. So it's already detected it, it's aligning with the object, and now it's re-perceiving it, and now finally going to grasp it. So now it has gone to workstation 3 and needs to pick this aluminum profile, which is placed on top of a metallic background, which makes it a harder problem. So it does the same thing here, perceives the entire location. And it looks like it has detected it.
Sorry, Christoph, could you have a look in the referee channel? I found the bug. It's the ref box. It's created an object with the ID 12,851.
Now it is going to workstation 9.
Okay, Max, I think the only way to solve that is to generate a new one.
It's going to the rotating turntable because this is a location where it needs to place the objects.
Thank you.
Now it's moving to a different workstation. It has to pick the axis from this workstation. And also on the workstation is a bearing box, which doesn't need to pick.
So we have 2 minutes left.
2 minutes left. So I'm hearing that it has detected the axis already, so it should move towards the axis. But it looks like the robot is re-perceiving the workstation, and it didn't detect the axis. So it has replanned and decided to do something else in the meantime. So here it needs to place the black aluminum profile.
Martin, do you have the execution time in mind?
Yes, it's 1 minute left.
So right now it is replanning because it still has one task left, which is to pick up this axis, which it missed. So it's comes back to the station, and it will try to re-perceive it. This is the last.
So 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
10 seconds.
It has found the axis, and we will find out whether it picks it within the.
Okay, and time is over.
Time is up.
So, but let's have a look if he will grasp it. So.
It does grasp the axis.
So when I get the TC right yesterday, we will not count this access this time because we had the time bonus.
Also, me thank you for picking up more objects.
Okay, Res. So we have a pick. So we didn't pick the access on workstation 6 in time, but we picked up the works. There's 40B on workstation 2. We have workstation 3. Okay, so I voted this. And I think we reached workstation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We also reached the turntable. Didn't he reach workstation 8? Where's workstation 8? I think workstation 8
I think
was
all
also...
workstations were reached.
Yeah, I also think this. Okay, so we have 5 pickups, 4 placements. The pickups are divided into 3 from normal and 2 from arbitrary surface, and we have reached all workstation. Did I miss anything? Okay. Then I think we go on to Roboto.
Well, the bolt dropped off the platform.
The board. We hadn't.
I think. Yeah, axis. I mean.
Axis. Which axis?
Yeah, it picked it up, but after it couldn't place it on the table.
Yeah, but as long as you leave it on your robot, it's okay. So.
Oh, so it dropped from the platform. So, but it fell between the robot and the platform.
Was it after the timeout? So.
No.
It rolled off the grasping platform, but it stayed behind the armor, I guess.
Yes. It is still on the robot.
So it's on the robot, okay.
So the other refs can also say something. I didn't see it, but it could be that I miss it. So.
No, I think it rolled from the platform from the. It stays on the robot. I mean.
Okay, it didn't. It did not fall into the arena.
No, I don't think.
Okay, then it's not in lost. So where the robot transports the object is up to him. So. Okay. So can we go on to Roboto? Is the task changed, or we wanted to stick with the task, right?
Yeah, actually now I found out why there's a cavity. It's not to be picked. It's actually doing PPT.
Yeah, but it's not task part of BTT2.
That's true.
Okay.
But actually it is, so it's only 6 objects, but 1 object will be placed in the PPT.
One of the 6.
I know the problem, and I know where the problem lies. Question is if we now want to regenerate the task, because now I know where to change stuff, or if we just want to go with it. I think we just don't get the points for the PPT doing. Actually, it would be okay, in my opinion, to just have the placement points.
But it took more time, maybe. So it's okay for me. Nobody else is complaining.
So, but you want to do a PPT or just place it on the PPT?
I think the ref box choose the PPT as a 10 centimeter table, and because on the PPT you have to choose.
So, well, they are discussing a short introduction to Roboto again.
Also einmal metrisches Gewinde und einmal Dienstgewinde oder irgendwie so.
So you just have to place it there. So if you want to be really hard, you can give minus points, because when you are opening your gripper too slow, the object is rubbing on the table. But in my point of view, it's just placing, so it's more a navigation task to come to the.
So no movement
to the table. Yeah, so you can turn it, or you can let it turn. But so yeah, there are other refs. If you want to let the table turn, we can do this. But
because we forget it at Bitbot, so
yeah,
we should stay it.
So I think it's for BTT2 it doesn't matter. So as long as you don't have to crash from the round table.
Okay.
So Emma, you received the task and you can start your stream.
We received.
Yeah, at Discord, like
okay.
The other task. Okay, Res, if you have a look into the map, I think we put the crash arbitrary surface on workstation 2 and also replace the arbitrary decoy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can check your arena.
Okay. Please turn it, Mr. Mahir. Turn the stream. Turn the stream. No, turn on. Turn on for checking.
Okay, so it's a complex arena because we can block more than one path, or we are able to. So, okay, so we want to have on workstation 2 the crash arbitrary surface on workstation 2. The crash.
Workstation 2. Hear me? Babak, hear me. Workstation to arbitrary surface. Which type of surface?
The grass, the green
grass. Grass on the workstation 2.
Okay, please place the objects on top of the
Okay.
Okay, and there should be a bearing and the measuring tape as arbitrary decoy.
Measuring tape. Yeah. Here you are putting on the glass.
Okay, Res, please decide where the second arbitrary surface, the
No, put on there.
should be placed.
No, put on there.
Not measure, just place it there.
بذار اونجا جفتشه بذار اونجا.
I would
Sorry.
say workstation 7 the second
I'm speaking my
I would say that too, yes.
own language.
Okay. Then put on workstation 7 the aluminum.
Put on the workstation 7 aluminum surface. Aluminum surface, where is that? Oh, okay. Take out the wooden, last time we put that wooden surface and we have to change it. ارتفاعش نیاد بالا. بابک.
Okay, your mobile cam is, oh, okay. Your mobile cam is back.
Is it okay?
Yeah, S40G, yes. Okay, then we need to see which workstation is next. Maybe workstation 6 is behind you.
Yes. Workstation 6. What do you want to do?
We want just show us.
Show that one. Yes. Its height is 15.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we want to see workstation. Yeah. So any ref, you know what to do if you want to change something. Otherwise, we go on to workstation 1.
How time happens and time now?
Yep.
Show just show.
On workstation 1, please.
Workstation 1, what do you want?
Just show. We just want to check if the right objects are there.
There. Workstation 1.
Yeah.
This one, yes.
Yeah, but please move this object to
Remove
the left side.
Remove the red one, yes. Okay.
And please move the object here to the left.
The black metal on objects on table 4, please move it a little bit to the left.
Move which side?
No, table 1. Table 1.
On table 1.
On table 1.
Sorry, yeah, on table 1. Yeah, this one. And
yes.
The camera. Sorry. So now it's to the right in your mobile cam. So to the away from the wall.
Behind the wall.
No, not behind the wall. Away from the wall. So in the other. So move the object. Just
move.
To the other side.
A little bit. Move the. No. No object. That's it. Okay.
To the other direction.
Other direction. Change the
to the center.
Let's change the direction. Okay.
I didn't understand.
Is it enough? No.
More.
More. This one.
Move it to the other direction of the workspace.
Other direction. You mean put it the other side of the workstation or turn more in the middle? Yes. Go the middle. Middle.
That.
And again further to that direction.
You mean we change the direction of this?
No, just move this object from your mobile camera aspect to the right.
Mobile camera to the right. Mobile camera to the right of that. This side? You mean? Is
now
it okay?
Towards your feet. Move it towards you.
Oh, okay. Move the up of workstation. Go up. No. کفشات نشون نده خیلی پایین نشون نده sorry تو هم گوش بده دیگه اونجا دیگه گوش بده خب بابا بشین کنارش okay
Refs, is it okay? Or
I think we should continue.
Yeah.
okay, workstation 4 we already see there's a R20. That's fine.
Workstation 2 is
4.
4.
It's the one we see already. There's a R20.
Go the yes. Workstation 2. 2 or 4, you said?
10. To go to it.
Workstation 10, it's 0 height.
Yeah, it's okay. But there should be
go down.
Hearing, okay. Yeah, I believe you that your floor is even.
Our floor is ceramic.
Okay, and I don't know why we have a decoy on workstation 8, but please show us workstation 8. That's an M20. I don't know why, but please show us workstation 8.
Please show the workstation 8. Which one is the Babak? Workstation 8. Show the workstation 8.
Just do it the right way. And refs, you can already think about obstacles. So yeah, you have to place an M20 on workstation.
Obstacle. Bring the obstacle to
You have to place an M20, a small nut, on the workstation 8.
On the workstation 8, this one is
no, not the obstacle, a small nut on the workstation 8.
I didn't understand what you say.
A small nut, M20, should be placed on workstation 8.
More nuts.
Small nut, M20.
A small nut. Where is the small nut? A small nut. It's decoy?
Yeah, it's decoy.
Yes. Workstation 8?
Yeah, just place it there in front.
Place it in the middle side?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so refs, now we want to place the obstacles. We want to block one path, just choose one of the three. Without blocking the tables.
Let's block the path between workstations 3 and 4, in my opinion.
Block then.
Yes, we can do this.
But we have to make sure that workstation 3 and 4 are reachable.
Yeah, so we can
maybe between 3, 2, and 4.
Yeah, something.
2 and 4. Between 2 and 4 workstation, block the obstacle. 2 and 4.
Yes.
Go back. 2 and 4, put them obstacle.
With your big obstacle, so we need to place 2 obstacles, and this one we want to place right now.
We can put it down. A slide. Is it okay?
Yeah,
a little further towards workstation 3.
Workstation 3.
Now, so that the workstation
I think
2 is not blocked.
I think it's okay. So all workstations are reachable. Yeah. So show us your second obstacle.
Show the second obstacle. Please show the second obstacle. Second workstation, sorry. Go the other side and show the way. Yes, yeah. This side. Is it okay?
We have to place 2 obstacles. There's one in the arena. We need a second obstacle. We
lied it for the
We should move it in the middle of the table.
Okay.
Like 20 centimeters back.
We can try. So ML, did you hear? You can move the obstacle a little bit away from.
I think
a little bit more back.
Closer.
Putting the rotating table is very maybe it's
yeah,
not.
that's why you should move it a little bit.
Oh, go back. Move it to the right side because it cannot put it down. Move it the right. Move it the right. Yes, right.
Yeah, go
okay.
on. Okay. I think that's
okay.
That's okay.
Oh,
yeah, perfect.
And right. Oh, yes, okay. Okay. Oh, no, okay, it's okay.
It's fine there, I guess. No,
okay.
the last position was better. Put it on the edge of the table in this facing. Yes, exactly.
So,
okay, thank you. I think the arena preparation is made. So please leave the arena.
Use that.
Please leave the arena. The mobile cam is not allowed to stand inside the arena.
Okay, go outside and.
Okay, thank you. Then your prep time starts now.
Okay.
You can send
it's
the task
prepare
to
time.
the robot.
It's prepare time.
Yeah.
How many times? No. Prepare time. The prepare time. Okay. How many minutes?
Yeah, you have 30 seconds prep time, and you can start whenever you want.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
So 30 seconds left. And it would be nice if the mobile cam shows also the robot and not just the floor. Okay. Okay, your prep time is over and your execution time starts now.
گذاشته دیگه بابا اون هم not a C. It's a start time. It's a start time. Sorry, the object decoys is okay. I think the decoy is not the same as the referee box. The back file, it is a little bit different.
You have problems with the task? No.
No, I think it's maybe different because
it's already going.
It's already go. Yes, time start. It's aligned and it's scanning the ارتفاع کم نکردی. Scan. Restart, please. Restart. Restart.
You want to restart? Okay.
Yes,
then
yes. It's
move the robot outside of the arena. Start from outside the arena.
it needs to restart from the start place.
And you have 8 minutes left.
8 minutes left. Evet. تو چرا اول اینو نمیره برداری؟
Martin?
Franzi?
Yes,
wir könnten nach MRL fahren.
Okay.
Ja, dann sind wir endlich durch. Sorry. Und Dankeschön an alle, die jetzt ja, für uns eingesprungen sind.
Just one restart already, this BTT2.
You should start from outside the arena. You have called a restart. Your time is running.
Okay.
So go outside the arena with the robot and start.
Go outside the arena. Go. So come on. And zip it. Be fast. Parrots. I'm going to arrange. Be fast. Run, please. Oh, time over. Okay. No, that's all. Time then. Start again.
Mobile cam is still in the arena.
Please leave the arena if possible. Do not go in front of the robot.
Come back. Come back. Yes. Okay.
Can you go on?
Yeah. It's thinking so. We had test many times. I don't know why in the competition robot is need to think more. But just one reach. Stop, please. It's finished.
Okay, thank you. So
thank you.
Okay, Res. I think that's easy. We have a restart and we reach workstation 7. Okay, so I heard that Roboto is going next because they solved the problems.
Okay. خب الان چون
So, Roboto, you will stay with the task which was created first. Or do we have to change something in the file, in the ref sheet?
And we will stay with the task.
Okay.
And the ref sheet is fine.
So we already started placing a crash on workstation 8. I think we stick with this plan. And we put there the measuring tape, like for all teams, as arbitrary decoy. So refs, where should be the aluminum decoy arbitrary surface? I didn't get your point or your answer.
Where should the aluminium foil go?
Yeah, it wasn't answered by now.
Maybe let's do workstation 1.
Okay, workstation 1. Okay, then please start showing the tables. So, yeah, you are at workstation 1. There should be an axis on an. Yeah, okay.
Which objects are on workstation 3? Can you show also, please?
Yeah, then go on to workstation 3. So I think it's, yeah, there are 20, not the measuring tape. That should be on the measuring tape should be on the grass. And yeah, if you can stay there on workstation 8 as 4dB, it's okay.
On workstation 3, can you move the object to more left?
Okay, please go back to workstation 3.
Can you move it to more left?
So, but keep in mind you have to.
No, the other side. Yeah, other side. More to the wall.
Yeah, there are two walls. They are both.
Yeah,
both
anyone. That's fine. No issues.
So, but there should be 10 centimeters at least. I think that's.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, we had 8, 1, and 3, so we need 6. Workstation 6. There should be an F20G. Okay. Okay, then workstation 5. A distance tube. Okay. And on workstation 9. An M30. Okay.
Can you please move this a little bit to the back? Also 20 centimeters like yesterday.
Okay, and I missed that there is a decoy on workstation 5. So please go back to workstation 5. There should be F20G placed.
Yeah, good.
And on the opposite side of workstation 4, M20 should be placed. I don't know why, but the ref box want me to. So refs, I think all obstacles are inside the arena, so you can change the positioning of the object, and place one obstacle because it's a normal arena. One non-pass blocking obstacle.
I would do it at the blocking, maybe at.
We have no blocking. It's a normal.
I'm an obstacle. At the wall between workspace 2 and 5, maybe.
Is it fine?
Oh.
Okay. So if nobody wants to change an object positioning, you can leave the arena. And your prep time starts now.
I'll count down. 3, 2, 1, go.
So the execution time starts, and Hauke, you are free to tell what the robot is doing. Sorry, I missed Hauke's driving. I was looking at the robot screen. If it's all good. So Christoph, maybe you want to tell something, what happened?
Actually, I thought it did tell.
Oh, then it was very silent.
Okay, so I'll try to continue commenting. So now we go to the large workstation. This is always a big problem for us because our bot is not that high, and with our looking position, it's really difficult to see the objects if they are far in the back. So therefore, this is quite an evil task. So therefore, the robot couldn't see the object, and of course, it couldn't also not grasp it.
Can you move the mobile camera a little? Okay, now it's over. The point.
Okay, so now the interesting part. So looking at the aluminum foil and searching for the axis. Okay, didn't see it. Okay, so here it should grasp the small ring, but not the aluminum profile. Okay, it saw the ring. And it grasped it. Not perfect, but maybe good enough. Okay, and placed it in the inventory so it can actually place it later on the target table. Okay, so here the measuring tape should, of course, not be grasped. But the distance tube should be placed. Which was done very smoothly. And now it's searching for the black big aluminum profile to be grasped. Which it found, but probably will not grasp. Yeah. Okay, since our grasp detection is always not working reliably, we deactivated it. And yeah, therefore the robot didn't actually know that it didn't grasp it. And he just continues as if he would have grasped it. Okay, now it's probably gonna place the next object, which it didn't grasp actually. So the, I don't know what it was. Yeah, the R20.
You have 5 minutes left.
Okay, after it did place the virtual placings, it will try again to get the gray aluminum profile and the axis. So obviously, I think the aluminum profile, it will not grasp this time again because the table position is not correct. And we can actually not look at the table, so we really need to know beforehand where the table is. So we cannot detect it on runtime, which is quite a problem. Maybe localization is off, I don't know. And the next try will be the axis again. So this is the reason why we let it run, because maybe we can grasp the object. I know it's trying again the big nut, but again this will also not work. The nut is outside of the camera area.
Can you now go a little bit? Okay, so that we can see if there's a collision.
Yeah, this sometimes when we drive back from the high workstation, the robots get stuck, and then it takes some time until navigation recovers. But at least it works reliably. So let's see if it finds it this time. No. Okay, then I'll stop the run at this point. Stop.
Okay, thank you. Okay, referees, I think we have handled the distance tube, so pick and place, and reached all workstation, but not the round table. Do everybody agree?
I agree.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So next team is so RoboCup. Will you participate? I don't. RoboCup?
No, we will not participate. We still have the same problem. So.
Okay, so
then we are next, right?
Autonomous next, right?
Just one question: is Tyrolix driving today because they wrote something? I think.
Maybe Tyrolix can say something to this point.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have to search in Discord parallel.
We haven't received the tasks yet.
Yeah, I think Franzi is working on it.
All right.
Or I hope at least.
Yeah, it's coming.
So is the ref of Tyrolix here?
They should. They filled the form. So RoboCup, I want you to remind you that you, but also have to fill the form.
So Martin wrote this in Discord.
Okay,
Team
what?
leader of Tyrolix in the chat.
What exactly? The robot is exploded, or what happened?
Not exploded, but nearly. So
okay.
they're trying to fix it, and yes, I don't know.
Just have two decoys on a table you never have to manipulate.
Yeah.
You have a decoy on a table where you have two objects. That's why
okay.
I should remove this decoy from this table, but put the arbitrary surface on two other tables. If it's okay for you.
Okay, please repeat. I didn't get this.
So we replace one arbitrary we replace one decoy on an arbitrary surface with a measuring tape.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but you have decoys on a table you never have to manipulate. So Workstation 14 just have decoys. I don't know why do this, but it's this way. And you have a decoy on Workstation 13, but you also have two objects to pick from there. So, and I don't want to place the arbitrary surface on this table, so because of the points. We also talked about this yesterday.
Okay.
That's why I would remove the decoy from workstation 13 and place the arbitrary surfaces on 2 other workstations, but place the arbitrary decoy on one of these stations where I put the arbitrary surface.
Okay. Yeah. Please just instruct us, and
okay. So
because I don't get exactly, because I'm not seeing the task. So let's just do it, and I could still complain afterwards if I want to move the thing. But normally I think it's fair. So yeah, let's just plan everything and.
Okay, Bildschirmübertragung wir haben.
Ja, Boris, du sollst den Screen sharen und nicht das OBS, ne? Oh, sorry.
Okay, I think it would be fair if we choose workstation 2 and 3 for the arbitrary surfaces.
Okay, ne, 2 ist hier die Nuller.
Is it okay for the other refs?
And 3, right?
For the other 2 teams on the arbitrary surface of the aluminium, there was a gray object to grasp. One time it was a S20 G, and the other time it was an axis. So maybe we could do that again.
Yeah, okay, but then we have to place it on workstation 11. So I don't want to have the arbitrary surface on workstation 13 because then they have 1 object more.
Yeah, let's take workstation 11.
Okay.
11 ist die 5er da hinten, oder?
Yeah, it's a 5 centimeter table.
Ja, die 5er da. Okay.
So, and the measuring tape on the grass.
Aha. Andere Seite. Ja. And okay, which objects go where?
On this table we need a F20 plaque, so a small aluminium plaque.
So. Okay. Just a second. Is it okay like this?
Nobody's complaining, so I think so. So
okay.
Then on workstation 3.
Can you move it to the left a bit, or like change the position of both?
Of both? Just change?
Yes, and the black one to a bit further to the left.
More?
A bit more, yeah. Yeah.
Just tell me. So is it fine now?
It's good like this.
Okay. Workstation 3?
Okay, workstation 3 needs M30. Okay. On workstation 12.
Object?
I just have a look in your map where it is. Okay, there. There should be an M20 and an R20. No, sorry, just an M20. Okay, workstation 13. There should be an S40G, an Axis, and an R20.
What did you say? R20?
R20, S40G, and Axis. Okay, and on workstation 11, you should place a distance tube.
Boah. Okay.
Yes, it's even not seeable in the stream. Okay, that's okay.
So, okay, yeah, that's very hard. Did any other team have actually the distance tube there?
All the teams had gray objects there. And
Yeah,
we
but
don't have
the
any other
distance
gray
tube,
object.
Yeah, but the distance tube is anyways.
I'm sorry, but
kind
we
of-
have to make it somehow fair.
Ah, yeah, okay, I understand.
Roboto had the axle on the aluminum surface, I guess, or?
Yeah, but the axis is larger, simpler. But we will try. I don't know.
It will never be exactly the
know.
same for all teams.
Yeah, that's the point. Okay,
Okay,
and so we have two decoys on workstation 14. I don't know if we have to place them. So workstation 14 is not part of the task.
Okay, yeah, then no. Wait.
So, refs, did you follow
the
my
obstacle positions?
Yeah, so please place the obstacles.
Where?
So no ref want to say something. I just have a look if the tables are needed there. They do. So maybe you can block the pass left to you. No, yeah, this one. So, and no, I like some other ref for the small blocking one.
We have also boxes if you like another obstacle type. So we have this box.
I would suggest at shelf 1 to shelf 5. To the wall of of workspace 5.
Ooh, this here is very close. I'm not sure. Maybe
Okay.
It shouldn't be pass blocking. It should just be a small.
This is okay, but
I would do it
Can you measure
directly
it?
to the wall, not so that you can all still drive to the shelf, of course.
Yeah, I think the shelf is not part of the task. So.
Okay. Yeah, so maybe this is this. I don't know.
And can you measure the distance?
Yeah, it's also fine like this. This should also be fine, right?
And to the other, yeah. Is it also
Yeah,
possible?
yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so it's fine for me. I think it's fine for all the other. Did you download the task?
Yes, I did. I also checked it with my task parser already, so it should be fine.
Okay, so then if no other ref want to change anything, okay, then
sorry,
your prep time starts now.
Okay. Okay. Aquarstecker. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm sending the task. So the robot got the task. And is planning now. And now he starts driving. We will go to the workstation 12, was it, I think? The 15 centimeters at the back first. So now he will try to detect the small nut. He already got it. Okay, so now he's going, to workstation 13. And which objects have to be picked? I'm not sure.
The axis and the big aluminium.
Okay.
Wolltest du längst auch, oder? Ja. Ja, den Bildschirm aufmachen.
I think he didn't get one of those objects, probably the large gray one. Yeah. So now he will go to workstation 1. That's the zero height with the grass, but from our side, and we'll place an object, I guess, because I think there's nothing to pick from. And first he will check the height of the workstation, which he got now. And then he will go on and place the small nut. Why is he detecting there? Did you check if, so you told me the object should lie on workstation 2, not 1, right? This is workstation 1 and there's no object to pick from.
So in my task sheet, there is no object on workstation 1 to pick.
Okay, I will check later what the parser said, because I didn't check the task that he gave me. Okay, now he will go for the difficult one. Not sure if we have any chance here. Probably not. No. So he will check the table height again, and then go on and place the axis, I guess. No. Oh, okay. So I guess the point cloud, we were standing too far from the table, and the point cloud, yes, the, the ground was actually the surface, but fortunately it still worked out. So now the large nut. So he will go to workstation 8 with 15 centimeters in the middle and place the object there. Once again, check the table height. Got it, and now he will place it.
So now he will do the task that failed before again. So I think he will try to detect the gray alu, and also I don't know which object should be there. I think maybe it might be the black alu. So can I move it to the other thing just to see it? Because I guess it's the wrong thing. Can I do it?
Is it, do you want to stop the run?
No, I don't know. I think the object is not on the right table.
No, I think you shouldn't. What is this?
Well, no, but he searches for an object.
Yeah, but
12 at workstation.
So now it's no more autonomous system, right? So it is human.
But I didn't interact with the robot. I just moved the object to the other workstation.
The run stops if you enter the arena, right?
Yeah, but I think the arena configuration was not right. So either I want to rerun my whole task, or I want to check, because the robot never goes to a workstation and searches for something. If
Christoph, can you parallel check the task on your side?
And you told me it's workstation 2. So, and he didn't even go to detect in workstation 2. So for now, so.
I don't know. I don't have the task at hand.
Yeah, just let the robot run out, and I will check afterwards. Because I think we need to change the battery if we actually want to do it.
This problem is fault of the referee or a fault of the team?
Fault of the referee if the arena config is not right.
Actually, just before we always said that the team is responsible also for checking, but it may be maybe the task has an error.
Yeah, I need to check. So I don't know my task. So before I just checked if there's 12 subtasks, you know, so picking and placing and everything, but I didn't check which tables. So we will go to workstation 4 and try to deliver this object.
You have 1 minute and 30 seconds left.
Okay, the robot goes now to the finish because the failed subtask didn't work out the second time.
Okay, so the run is over, or?
Yeah, he reaches the finish, so my run is over. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So can I rerun this the task through my task manager and check what?
How long will it take?
I think 10 seconds.
Then do it. So for the referees, we can maybe start with the things which are not. Okay, now just rerun.
Okay, so it says pick object 1 at workstation 1. So that's exactly what I thought. It's the small black alu from workstation 1 and not workstation 2. And that's what I tried to move, but yeah, in the initial configuration, it was not right.
Okay, so I don't know what we want to do this way at this time, or because I just have the sheet, I have a look on the sheet, and I'm not able to evaluate every task again when I receive it. So
yeah, no, I'm not blaming you guys. So I'm just telling you, I can also just send a screenshot if you want this. So workstation 2 isn't even in the task for me. So not placing and not picking. So it should have been workstation 1.
Marco, let's postpone the discussion. I just look at it.
Okay. Then we postpone like anything else today or everything else. So, and we go on to Robo Erectors.
Is RoboHub not participating?
They are not.
Okay.
Yes. Tyrolix has also a broken robot.
Go with the robot outside of the arena.
They just open Safari box window
Have we been to Workstation 2 already? I think not.
But I don't know how it does.
Can you please show us Workstation 2? I don't think we have already been there.
Yeah, and please remove the robot from the workspaces.
On Workstation 2, there's supposed to be an M30 as a decoy.
So, RoboCup, do you hear us?
Yeah, we heard you.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Give us a moment.
Again, please. Also, Workstation 1 should be a bearing box, or just a bearing box, I guess. Which one is this now? This
is 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
So currently we are showing you Workstation 6,
yeah,
which has the decoy axis and
the
F22. Okay, no.
Can you change the rotation of the M2100 to
and the
the
position,
other
please.
way?
On Workstation 5?
Workstation.
Yes, Workstation
Yes.
5. Move the M2100 to the left of the table and change the rotation so that it is horizontal.
Rotate it by 90 degrees, yes.
Further? Yes.
time, so therefore we need to wait anyways.
So you are finished?
Yes, can you please check the whole setup we did, if it's conformed to
We
rules?
have the decoys and the measure tape. We have to do also.
Yes.
Yeah, the measuring tape should be on the crest, I think.
Yeah.
And so I think the obstacles, I believe you that you already you have learned how to place them. So
And please remove the M30 from the crash, isn't it?
Which workstation is it? Is this workstation 2?
Yeah.
Then the M30 is a decoy. Oh yeah, then you have to remove it when the measurement tape is there. You're right.
I'm sorry, you want to remove the M30?
Yeah.
Okay, and replace it with the measuring tape.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Yeah. Okay. That's fine.
We check if the mortar is within the 22 centimeter zone so that it's not too far away.
If it's within the 20 cm, the motor. Hi, for our turntable, do we have to turn it on? No, right?
What exactly is the question? What?
Our rotating table,
Yes.
because I see in other teams it wasn't moving, so we don't have to turn it on, right?
No, you don't have to.
You don't have
Yeah,
to.
we can turn off.
It's just placing.
Yeah.
Okay. So do we want to change anything to this table?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. Then just quick show workstation 1. Okay, so you put there the aluminium. Okay. Okay, and workstation 4. A small and black and a small gray. Okay,
Can we rotate one of them to
90.
45?
45. Okay. Can you not rotate the camera, but rotate the object on workstation 4? Maybe the black. Oh yeah. Yeah. Do this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Then workstation 5. There should be an M2100. Yes. And the opposite is workstation 6. There should be an axis. Okay. And workstation 3. A bearing. Okay. And on workstation 9, a motor.
We don't have an extra motor for the decoy on workstation 9.
Then, okay, take the M30 you remove from the workstation 2.
Okay.
No, this motor should be there because it's the object you have to handle. Yes, this way. Okay. Okay, from my perspective, it should be fine. The other refs are also fine with this, I think.
Fine.
Yep.
Then please leave the arena. leave the arena. Or reactors, you can leave the arena. We have checked everything. Are you sure that this table is not part of the task? So I think there should be on workstation 7, there should be placed something. I don't know if you want to stay there. So just give me a voice. When you say it's okay, then don't complain afterwards. Okay, so it's also fine. Okay. Then your prep time starts now.
Three, two, one, go.
And feel free to tell what the robot is doing.
So now we'll be navigating to the workstation 4. We just now we reached workstation 4, but for now we are not picking up anything.
Please don't change the arena.
Our wall fell over. So sorry about that. Restart.
You want to restart?
Yeah, we want to restart.
Yeah, then go on. Restart.
Okay.
You have 6 minutes and 40 seconds left. So after Robo Erector, SWAT is next.
Maybe SWAT can go next.
I thought that I said this. So
yeah, restarted.
Yeah, they restarted. So no, Robo Erectors is still running, but afterwards,
Yeah, I know.
So I just wanted to tell it to everybody else that they can prepare.
We'll be now reaching workstation 4. So our robot will try and yeah. We're not picking up anything, but yeah.
You have 3 minutes left.
Workstation 2. Now currently at workstation 2. So we will not be picking up anything. Yeah.
30 seconds left. Ten seconds left. And your run is over.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you too. So refs, I just need your vote. Do we count this workstations as reached or not? So some of you marked workstation 4. Only one of you marked workstation 2. Just put in an X if you want to count the workstation, and leave it out if you don't want to count it.
We were right in front and we were within the service area.
Yeah, you were
two.
not completely facing the workstation, but I think you could be able to manipulate. So from my perspective,
Yeah.
we can.
Yeah, I think so too. I think we can count them.
Okay. Okay, Team SWAT, please start your stream as soon as you are ready. And the task force SWAT can be sent if not done yet.
It's already there.
Okay.
Who's driving after SWAT? Is it Bluebot or Autonom?
So I would like
to make the wall larger towards the PPT. No, next to the wall. Yes,
Yeah,
and
and now
then turn it around. Yes.
Okay, looks good to me. Any referee has any points to change? Yeah, the obstacle must be close. That's right. So, okay. No complaining. Then your prep time starts now. Okay, Sword, your prep time is over, so your execution time starts.
Okay, we start. Now. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we drive to the workspace 5 and make a scan. Are we allowed to take this HDMI from our Ablageteil?
What HDMI?
This thing.
This black thing. Because we had connection issues at the beginning with the video.
Will you interact with a robot in this case?
No. Technically yes, but
I'd let it count.
Okay.
Okay,
then go fast.
Let's remove it, yes.
But maybe somebody else can do it who has not the mobile cam, so that we can still see what the robot is doing.
How much time do we have?
You have 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and you just pick up a decoy. So the M2100 was a decoy object on workstation.
Yes.
3. So now it's 6 minutes 20. Nice.
Okay, we want to restart.
Okay. You have 5 minutes and 10 seconds left. So when you want to restart, then move. So that's.
Maybe also this time could someone commentate the stream? Maybe of the team.
Yeah, we are again at workspace files and try to. What is this?
We try to grab M30.
30, yeah. And we do again a scan. And we have 7 different positions. And the 7 point clouds will match to one good point cloud.
What is he trying right now? Did you just check?
I think.
Okay. So you have 2 minutes left.
Stop. Stop.
Yeah, okay, stop is called.
Ah, okay. Scheiße.
Okay, so maybe we have a look what the robot is doing, or will not anything interesting happen? Okay, he will try one. Okay, then thank you. And I think we can go on to robots. So we want to. Okay, so we go on with autonom rerun. Okay, I created a sheet for the autonom rerun. Can Francie just share the link in the correct way so that I don't get it wrong?
Is it the same task?
No, it's the same task, yes, but with the right table, I hope. So yeah, I have to change this. You are right.
All right. I have
So
a
it's
little question. In the runs before, when we had the ALU arbitrary surface, was it on a 15 centimeter or 5 centimeters of other teams? Because I think it is a little hard that we have the smallest object on a reduced height with an arbitrary surface. I mean, we don't need to change it. It was fine for the last run. Just
yeah. So that's maybe a bigger problem with the ref box. So I don't know how to do it. So we decided to put something which is also aluminium. So we have not so much objects, therefore, and that's why the decision was made to put something similar for you.
I think we should keep it this way because we already had another team with a distance tube on the aluminium, and yeah, I think it is fair to keep it like this. I know it is complicated, but like other teams already also had complicated situations.
We use the arena task.
Maybe you just create a topic, a message by hand.
Yeah, sorry, we are not able to participate. We got an error in our word model, but I think this time is not the ref box, but our word model. So the parsing is not correctly done, and I think I cannot start the task this time.
Okay, so you see no chance, and we'll leave with 0 points.
I think so. Yep.
Okay, did we miss any team in this chaos? Anybody else who want to run but doesn't before, or does it not do now?
Yeah, depending on if we can do a rerun.
Yeah, that's true. So that's not a question you or I can answer. So from my perspective, you can do a rerun if the task was wrong, and it seems like this.
Yeah.
So, but I don't know if a new task is available in time. So maybe we have to do it later. Yeah. So Lubots are not able to run. So yeah, all runs are done. I thought in half an hour, not 30 minutes. And I'm hungry.
Wait. So just a question, if we want to reschedule this 1 hour later.
I don't know if it's matched with RoboErectors.
We will have to check if they say it's fine. If not, then Erectus?
Yeah, that's fine.